sticky thing. She's powering on. Like, baby, this camera is nothing to play with, okay? What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, your girl is coming to y'all with an iPhone 13 unboxing. Your girl got her new phone in the mail this morning, and I've been waiting all day, y'all, all day to do this video. It is literally 10:55 at night. Y'all should know how these videos go. I personally love watching any type of Apple unboxing. I've already done a video unboxing this phone actually that I got like maybe 2 years ago whenever it came out, child. This is the 11, as well as my MacBook. So now here I am with another unboxing of the 13, and of course your girl went with the pink one. If you don't know, pink is my favorite color. I love pink. So when they was coming out with a pink iPhone, I was like, enough rambling. Let's get into unboxing this 13 because I'm super excited and I've waited all day for this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy videos like this. All right, so I'm gonna just give y'all a quick close-up of the box. This is what the box looks like. So they took the plastic away, which I mean, I'm not against it. It is satisfying to peel off, and this is what the back looks like. All right, y'all, so we got a little bit of an ankle change. I just thought that this would be the best way for me to do the whole unboxing. And we definitely got a little pink aesthetic going on. This is funny that I just bought these like a few days before getting this phone. This is the iPhone box. Once again, I just love how you just get that little pink iridescent type of like action going on, even with the little apple. That's so cute. Like I mentioned, the boxes with the 13s are not coming with the plastic anymore. To go ahead and open this up, they do have these little tabs, so I am gonna go ahead and pull that off. Oh, I can't wait. I kind of just want to do that again because I wasn't ready. She was not ready for that. Y'all, OMG, y'all, look at it. I have no words. I absolutely love the color pink. In person, like literally, I don't think the camera is doing the phone any justice. Now, this pink is like a baby pink, a pastel pink. It's literally the perfect shade of pink in my opinion. I know people was complaining about the shade and they was like, when we say a pink, this is not what we was talking about, Apple. We wanted a pink phone. And honestly, y'all, I'm in love. Like, I love the fact that it's a toned down baby pink. So this is what the phone is looking like. Again, it looks so much more pretty in person. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and just put it to the side for a second. Y'all know the boring stuff. I ain't gonna spend too much time on this, but here is the little lightning cable that it comes with. Of course, they took out the brick. If you an iPhone user, y'all know that over the years you accumulate a lot of those anyway. And then you just, of course, have the little instructions and the stickers and all that. I love how minimalistic this box is. Like, it's not much going on. It's really straight to the point, which I like that. This is what the side of it looks like. It's actually a lot bigger. And then everything else on the side is pretty similar, actually. I love the fact that the phone is actually trimmed in that pink color. Let's go ahead and remove this little sticky thing. That definitely was satisfying. As y'all can see, this is the screen, and this is the cleanest my screen probably will ever be. So let's just turn it on. She's powering on. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, quick start, bring your current. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do this because it'll be so much easier. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this setup process. I'm so happy with my decision, y'all. I absolutely, of course, I love the color pink, but I also never had an iPhone Pro before. So I was looking into the Pros, but of course they're on back order. So I was like, let me go ahead and get my pink phone. And not tell y'all, I did go ahead and get the 256 gigs. So yeah, you guys, I did go with the pink 13 with the 256 gigs. So this is the camera, y'all. I set it up, everything is back to normal how my old phone was. I'm about to just browse the camera. So this says photographic styles. So this is what the phone is looking like, and there's just different styles. So you can do standard, you can do rich contrast, you can do vibrant, warm, and cool, which is really, really nice. So I'm gonna just take it back to standard. Baby, this camera, now I don't know if it's gonna pick up. This camera is freaking bomb. Let's just take a picture and I'll put it on the screen. Oh my gosh, this camera is so bomb. Okay, autofocus on this phone. This is bomb, y'all. There's the wide lens, and then the regular. And then what I also am really excited about, y'all, is the cinematic video. They added this new feature to the video for this phone, so you can be able to create and do more. So I'm just gonna hit the continue. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna just go ahead and record for y'all right now and just show y'all what this video is looking like and just how the autofocus, y'all see that? It just like really just autofocus on my freaking diamond on my vanity, and everything else around it is blurry. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful, y'all. I think you can do it on front camera too. I'm gonna go ahead and screen record for y'all because I think, oh, thank you, Lord. No more blurry front camera. Thank you, Lord. Okay, y'all don't understand. I've been had to deal with the blurry front camera for a minute. This camera, can we talk about it? I wasn't even recording, y'all. This camera is so bomb. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this in a video, y'all. This camera, that's bad lighting. Let me just go ahead and get under here. And I think I'm still on a cinematic mode. And if I had another person, y'all, it would literally probably snap on their face. You can pick and choose the faces and all that good stuff. Like I told y'all I've already looked at these types of videos. So the camera, oh my gosh, the camera is absolutely to die for. I love this camera. I'm gonna get so much use out of it. Y'all know I'm a content creator and I'm just trying to grow my platform. So I definitely like any type of good camera. I'm definitely all in for it. That was another reason why I wanted to upgrade, and I'm really, really glad I did. This camera is amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is the camera that I'm clearly recording with right now. It's so good. So good, y'all. Like the color and everything. Like, baby. This camera is nothing to play with. Okay? This camera is nothing to play with. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to just play with the features and everything. It literally is right back to looking like my old phone, y'all. If y'all would like a what's on my iPhone video, let me know. Because I do have a decent amount of apps actually. Your girl's about to go ahead and put the SIM card in so your girl can have her service back. But yeah, y'all, that is basically the unboxing and setup for my new 13. Look at that screen already looking crusty. But it's fine, I'll just clean it. I actually have a case and a screen protector coming in tomorrow because I refuse to crack this phone. Thank you guys so much. If y'all stay all the way to the end and y'all watch this video, please leave me down some video suggestions and ideas. Your girl cannot wait to take some bomb Instagram photos on this phone. I cannot wait. This phone is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So yeah, y'all, that's the end. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.